Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the Harley Davidson customized Chevrolet BellAir. This is the 1957 Chevrolet BellAir, and this is by Maisto, and this is their HT custom series. We already unboxed two in this series. Now this is the third one we are going to unbox. Okay, let's unbox and see how it looks. Here's the back side if you are wondering. Okay, let's get to the part. Here it is, guys. Okay, the packing literally took me a minute to rip it out. Okay, so this is a glittering cherry red. This piece looks really amazing. So you need to hold it in your hand just to feel it. So it's the bottom part. They have the detailing for the exhaust as well, and the tires are made of rubber. Okay, there is no suspension or anything here, but it looks really beautiful. Here is the front view. Here is the top view, and let me just try to show you the interior. Okay, it doesn't have any openable parts in this one. Yeah, it doesn't have any suspension. Excuse me. The color looks really amazing. It has some damage in the tires. I don't know why. This is new and out of the box. You can see here. I don't think it's anything major, but still. Okay, let me just look into it later. It has a bit of weight to it. Yes, that's it, guys. So that's it for today, and if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Goodbye.